Hello everyone, dreaming of starting fresh in a new country? As of 2025, many countries are making it easier than ever to do just that. They've streamlined their visa processes to welcome newcomers, creating some really interesting opportunities. Let's dive into 10 countries that are making relocation easier with straightforward visa options. First up, we're heading south to Panama. This Central American gem is renowned for its Friendly Nations visa, which is a total game-changer for citizens from select countries. We're talking a simplified process that can grant you residency, yes, residency, not just a temporary visa, making it incredibly attractive for expats. The cost of living is relatively low compared to the US, especially when it comes to housing. Plus, Panama uses the US dollar, so you don't have to worry about currency exchange rates eating into your budget. Panama boasts a vibrant culture, a booming economy, and stunning natural beauty. If you're looking for a place where your money goes further, the people are welcoming, and the opportunities are abundant, Panama is definitely worth a closer look. Next, we're heading north to our neighbor Mexico. Their temporary resident visa is surprisingly accessible for many, making it easier than ever to experience the magic of Mexico firsthand. Mexico is a country with a rich history, diverse landscapes, and a cost of living that's pretty hard to beat. Whether you're drawn to the vibrant culture of Mexico City, the laid-back vibes of the Yucatan Peninsula, or the stunning beaches of Baja California, there's something for everyone. From mouth-watering tacos to fresh ceviche, Mexican cuisine is a fiesta for your taste buds. But it's the warmth of the Mexican people that truly makes this country special. If you're looking for a place with soul, culture, and endless opportunities for adventure, Mexico is calling your name. If you're looking for a more laid-back lifestyle, especially in retirement, Portugal should be at the top of your list. Portugal has the D7 visa, specifically designed for individuals with a stable passive income. This visa provides a pathway to residency in a country known for its stunning coastlines, charming villages, and a quality of life that's tough to beat. Portugal has some of the lowest costs of living in Western Europe. The healthcare system is top-notch and affordable. If you're ready to embrace a slower pace of life surrounded by natural beauty and warm hospitality, Portugal is waiting for you. Alright, digital nomads and adventure seekers, this one's for you. Iceland, the land of fire and ice, is calling, and they're making it easier than ever to answer. They've got this long-term visa specifically for remote workers, allowing you to stay and explore for up to 6 months. We're talking glaciers, volcanoes, hot springs, the northern lights. It's like stepping into another world. Imagine finishing up your workday and then heading out to soak in the blue lagoon as the northern lights dance overhead. While the cost of living might be higher than some other destinations, think of it as an investment in an unforgettable experience. If you're looking for a truly unique and awe-inspiring place to live and work remotely, Iceland is ready to welcome you with open arms. Next up, we're heading to Lithuania, a hidden gem in the heart of the Baltics. Lithuania is on a mission to become a global hub for startups, and they're putting their money where their mouth is with their incredible startup visa program. This visa is specifically designed to attract talented individuals with innovative business ideas, making it easier than ever to set up shop in this up-and-coming tech hub. Lithuania boasts a rich history, a vibrant culture, and a cost of living that's significantly lower than many other European countries. Lithuania has a strong digital infrastructure, which means you can stay connected and work remotely without a hitch. If you're an entrepreneur with a global mindset, Lithuania offers the perfect blend of opportunity, affordability, and a supportive environment to help your business thrive. Let's be real. Who hasn't dreamed of living in Thailand? The land of smiles is calling, and their smart visa program is making it easier than ever to answer that call, especially if you're a professional in a specialized field. This visa is designed to attract skilled workers, investors, and entrepreneurs, offering a pathway to residency without the headache of a traditional work permit. From the pristine beaches and turquoise waters of the south to the lush mountains and ancient temples of the north, Thailand is a country of breathtaking beauty and endless adventure. Thailand boasts a vibrant culture, delicious food, and a cost of living that's incredibly affordable, especially compared to Western countries. Thai people are known for their warmth, hospitality, and their ability to make you feel welcome from the moment you arrive. If you're looking for a country that nourishes your soul, challenges your sense of adventure, and welcomes you with open arms, Thailand might just be your perfect match. Now, if you're looking for a European base with a Mediterranean flair and some serious tax advantages, Malta is where it's at. This island nation has been quietly attracting expats and digital nomads for years, thanks to its global residence program. This program offers favorable tax rates and a pathway to residency for non-Maltese nationals who meet specific criteria. Malta boasts stunning beaches, crystal-clear waters, and a rich history that dates back thousands of years. Malta is part of the European Union, which means you'll have access to all the benefits that come with it, including easy travel within the Schengen area. If you're looking for a strategic location, a favorable tax system, and a lifestyle that's both relaxed and sophisticated, Malta is definitely worth considering. Okay, let's be honest. Who hasn't dreamed of owning a piece of paradise in Greece? The turquoise waters, the whitewashed houses, the ancient ruins, it's the stuff of postcards and travel dreams. Greece has made it easier than ever to turn those dreams into a reality with their Golden Visa program. This program grants residency to individuals who invest in real estate, making it a particularly attractive option for those looking to plant roots in this Mediterranean paradise. Greece offers a lifestyle that's hard to beat. Think fresh seafood, delicious Mediterranean cuisine, a relaxed pace of life, and a culture that celebrates life's simple pleasures. Greece is part of the European Union, which means you'll have access to all the benefits that come with it, including easy travel within the Schengen area. If you're looking for a place to truly embrace the Mediterranean lifestyle, surrounded by beauty, history, and a welcoming culture, Greece is calling your name. Now, if you're looking for stunning natural beauty, a more affordable cost of living, and a sense of adventure off the beaten path, Montenegro might just be your hidden gem. Montenegro offers a temporary residence permit that's relatively easy to obtain, especially for those looking to invest in property. Montenegro boasts a stunning coastline, dramatic mountains, and a rich history that's just waiting to be explored. Imagine spending your days hiking through national parks, kayaking in crystal-clear waters, and discovering hidden monasteries tucked away in the mountains. Montenegro is still relatively undiscovered, which means you can experience the authentic culture, meet friendly locals, and enjoy a more laid-back way of life. If you're ready for an adventure and a chance to experience a different side of Europe, Montenegro is waiting to welcome you with open arms. And finally, we're heading to Costa Rica, a country that truly embodies the phrase Pura Vida. Costa Rica has this amazing program called the Pensionado program, specifically designed for retirees with a guaranteed income. We're talking about a straightforward application process, a low cost of living, and the chance to live in a country that prioritizes well-being and happiness. Costa Rica is a nature lover's paradise. Imagine waking up to the sound of howler monkeys, spending your days hiking through rainforests, surfing world-class waves, and spotting sloths, monkeys, and toucans in their natural habitat. Costa Ricans, or Ticos as they're affectionately known, are some of the friendliest and most welcoming people you'll ever meet. If you're looking for a place to retire where you can truly embrace the Pura Vida lifestyle, surrounded by nature, warmth, and a sense of peace, Costa Rica might just be your own personal paradise. So there you have it, 10 countries that are making it easier than ever to relocate and start a new chapter in your life. Each country offers its own unique blend of opportunities, lifestyle, and culture, so it's really about finding the perfect fit for your individual needs and aspirations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who are considering a move abroad. Until next time, happy travels.